bullish moves is seen in oil and natural gas, where oil has in fact now come back to 83.5 levels, while net gas, though achieved 2.9, however, retraced a bit and now trading at 2.82, the support levels. Now, what to expect today from crude oil and net gas? Which position you should take in order to profit trading US crude and net gas? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. First crude, followed with net gas. Watch till the end. Yes, this is the first day for the new month, and my monthly updates will be released tomorrow. Remember, in the month of August, in the month beginning itself, we have predicted that oil and net gas are looking forward to a rise. We can see higher highs, and precisely 84.5 and $3 plus levels are already achieved. Now, what to expect in the September month? I will be sharing the analysis tomorrow. Do watch that and hence press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live analysis, or else join my free Telegram channel in order to get the live market updates. With that, let's start. First oil, followed with gas. Watch till the end. And yes, your every like, comment, share, subscribe is a great inspiration, motivation for me to deliver on time every time to the best of my ability. Now look at oil on the hourly chart. See higher lows, flat top almost. Once it stays beyond 83.6, this is the price which has to stay above 83.6. You can buy and expect 84, 84.4 and then 85. 85 is the next milestone, and remember the next rise is going to take oil at 88 and 92 levels. Let's observe more. See stochastic, the price is divergent from the moving average. It can possibly converge here, which makes 82.8, 82.6 levels as the strongest support. Stochastic overbought. MACD is trying to converge. It is in green. Possibly a crossover is what you can look forward to, and that should bring more bearishness. RSI is overbought. This is another observation which can pull the price a little down. Likewise, on the 2-hour charts, 3 green candles, higher highs, higher lows. Beyond 83.6, 83.8 zone, we can see it rising further, and I'll be anyways looking forward to the double top levels at around 84.4, and then it can march for 85 as well. Now, if you look at the stochastic, this is overbought. MACD is divergent and is in green. A convergent crossover will bring bearishness. Right now, it is still bullish. RSI overbought. Coming to 3-hour chart, you can see on the 3-hour charts that higher lows are consistently seen. Higher highs are observed. Support is seen at around 83, 82.8 levels, below which you can expect it to directly drop at 82 levels. We have to be cautious here and we have to be alert here. Now look at the near term candles. You can see the previous two candles yielding higher lows, higher highs. So it is trying to create a bullish channel of its own. Now remember, the prices are too much divergence from the moving average, and hence it could converge a bit till towards 82 levels. There is a possibility for it. Stochastic is overbought. MACD divergent and bullish looking upwards. RSI is overbought. Looking at 4 hour, on the 4-hour chart, see flat bottom at around 83 with that higher lows, higher highs, and it can continue here in this zone itself, taking it for 83, 83.5, 84. In fact, 85 levels are what one can expect here if it continues its up move from here. Now look at stochastic. This is overbought. The MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI is overbought as well. Coming to the daily, on the daily chart, see higher lows, higher highs, almost at the peak here. And yes, if you see it is staying above 83.6 levels, you can buy, but then 84, 85 levels are greater resistances on the upside. Now, if you look at the stochastic is overbought, MACD is bearish, it is trying to converge crossover for a buy. This is a good sign for the bulls that you can possibly expect a rise from here. Thus observe a bit more. We can expect in fact 85 levels very soon. Now if you look at the RSI, this is rising. Considering this for the day, I will recommend you to buy here at 83.6. Expect something at around 84 or little resistance at around 84. However, I'll be looking forward to 84.4, 85 levels as the next resistance zone. Beyond 85, sky is the limit. In the near term, we may see it hitting 88 and as well. And in the midterm, we may see oil going back to 92. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at natural gas. And before we proceed to natural gas, if you have or if you want to become a profitable and proficient trader, join my mentorship batch. Equip yourself with the right tools, techniques, and strategies which can help you become a profitable trader. Thus, join my 25th mentorship batch starting first week of September. Only limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thus, if you're selling at around 83.2 levels for oil, you should wait patiently for 82.6, very strong resistance, and then below that we may see it hitting 82 and below levels as well, but then you have to exercise extra caution here. On the upside, I will recommend you to buy at 83.6 itself, and beyond that more bullishness may prevail, where one can look forward to 84.4, 85 levels as the next target, and beyond that sky is the limit on the upside. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at net gas. See, gas on the hourly charts achieve higher highs at 2.9. See, I have told you several times that as long as 2.5, 2.48 is respected, we should remain in long, we should remain bullish for net gas. Precisely that has happened. Now see, achieving the bottom, now we have seen the rise here. See, higher lows, higher highs. So once it stays beyond this zone at 2.84, we can continue to expect a rise from there. And again, my target will be around $3 levels, if not today, possibly in coming sessions. And in fact, it can try to achieve further from there. So be watchful here. At 2.8 you can buy, but then 2.83, 2.84 zone first resistances, and 2.9 the next. Stochastic at bottom trying to rise. MACD is extremely bearish. It can possibly converge, crossover for buy. RSI flat. Looking at 2 hour charts, similar observation, a reversal sign and this greener candle, hence specifically once it stays beyond 2.83, more bullishness is going to prevail here. Stochastic oversold here. The MACD has crossed over. This is interesting. The MACD has just crossed over, trading with divergence, trading with the bearish bias. Now see, first wave is done, second wave is almost about to complete. Then we have to think a while before taking the entries, because see, it is still yet to achieve the bottom. However, the candles have peaked here, so possibly a little conversion from here itself cannot be denied. Look at RSI. This has dropped. It has come out of the overbought zone. Coming to 3 hour. On the 3 hour chart, see, price is divergent here from the 20 period, converged here, divergence and then convergence. So it is very, very important that prices are still staying bullish. You can see higher lows, higher highs are getting created. This does not mean that it is, or it cannot break. Yes, a breakout below 2.7 is where the bears will take over. As long as 2.7, 2.76 zone is respected, we should not be treating net gas as bearish for the day. Stochastic has dropped significantly. MACD is crossing over for a sell entry. This is the first wave. Second wave has started. So possibly we can see little red candles in the coming future. See, minor time frames are different and the daily time frame observation is something different here. So this is something we have to watch out further. Our RSI has dropped here. Coming to 4 hour charts. Likewise on the 4 hour chart, similar observation. Prices converge to the 2050. Prices converge to the 2050. Getting stabilized here. A break beyond 2.8 or 2.82 zone is where you can buy. But then I will look forward to 2.88 first target, 2.92 next, and then beyond that $3 levels is the ultimate achievement for net gas here. Stochastic has dropped. MACD willing to converge, crossover for sell. RSI has also come out of the overbought zone. Now look at the daily chart. On the daily charts, the preceding candle is a swing candle where we have seen higher lows, higher highs. Yes, the moving averages are trading with divergence. Moving averages are trading with the little bullish bias here. Yes, it is staked one over other. However, prices are divergent from the moving average, and this candle is going to remain important. And is swing about 2.82 is where little more bullishness, and then you can expect 2.8892 zone. And if it stays beyond 92, we can again expect it to break past $3 levels. Stochastic rising. MACD has crossed over, trying to stay in the bullish zone, and it can continue with this for a while. From here you can see first wave, then second wave. The third wave has hit a bottom, trying to convert. So be watchful. And if you look at RSI, this is almost flat. Consider for the day, I will recommend you to buy at 2.82 levels, but then 2.86, 2.8892 first resistance zone, 2.8892 strongest resistance. Beyond that, we can see it hitting 3.05 and 3.2 levels. Anything is possible. These are markets. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 2.76 levels. Below, you can expect 2.7 the strongest support, and if it stays below 2.7 is where the bears will try to take over. So as long as 2.76, 2.82 is not yet breached, we should trade with caution. We should trade with the stop loss. We should trade with the trailing stop loss. And yes, your every comment, like and share is a great inspiration, motivation for me. So do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do join my mentorship batch. The 25th batch is going to start on first week of September. Only limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead, and do watch the next update before the US session, as well as the monthly review tomorrow is going to be critical. Do watch that as well. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you. See you again before the US session.